The Voyager space probes have been wandering the cosmos for over 45 years now. Far from home and charting new territory, these machines have returned invaluable data and groundbreaking discoveries. However, their latest transmissions have left scientists perplexed and frightened. It appears that the Voyagers have made contact with an unknown force in the depths of space, and the nature of this entity remains shrouded in mystery. As NASA scrambles to decode the bizarre signals, a sense of unease and terror spreads throughout the scientific community. What secrets lie beyond our known universe, and what horrors could be lurking in the void? Let's find out. Since their launch in 1977, the Voyager space probes have been revolutionizing our understanding of the solar system. These missions have provided some of the very first and most important glimpses into the true status of our galactic neighborhood. But did you know that these iconic explorers were never intended to last this long? The Voyager mission began by pure accident when Michael Minovich realized that a spacecraft could piggyback on the velocity of a planet and catapult further out into the solar system. This lent the first plans for the probe being carried out, and the Voyager mission was originally intended to span 5 years. But despite NASA officials' initial expectations, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are still traveling and collecting important scientific data from the furthest reaches of space. The Voyager missions were originally created to investigate Jupiter and Saturn. The studies of those planets were completed by both missions, and subsequently, in 1986 and 1989, Voyager 2 made the first ever up-close studies of Uranus and Neptune. The Voyager Grand Tour, as it was named, was the name given to the flybys of the 4 planets. These missions have been a marvel of engineering and exploration. The probes have traveled over 14 billion miles and continue to send back groundbreaking scientific data, giving us a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. The Voyager missions have truly been a testament to human ingenuity, curiosity, and the desire to explore the unknown. Hold on to your seats as we take you on a spine-chilling journey through the depths of space with the Voyager space probes. Since their launch, these spacecraft have been on a mission to explore the unknown, venturing farther than any other spacecraft has gone before. Voyager 1, the trailblazer, made an astounding discovery in 2013 when it crossed the boundary between our solar system and interstellar space. This region, where the sun's magnetic field and charged particles cease to exist, marks the beginning of the terrifying interstellar void. But that's not all. In 2018, Voyager 2 followed in its predecessor's footsteps and entered interstellar space, making it the only spacecraft to have ever explored this desolate realm. As they journeyed deeper into the unknown, the Voyagers encountered the harsh and unforgiving conditions of interstellar space, including the constant barrage of cosmic radiation and the infinite void between the stars. Despite these challenges, the Voyagers continued to press on, gathering valuable data and insights into the mysteries of the universe. They studied the interactions between the solar wind and the interstellar medium, unraveling the secrets of the heliosphere, a protective bubble that encircles our solar system. Through their intrepid journey, the Voyagers have transformed our understanding of the cosmos and inspired generations of scientists and explorers. NASA's Voyager spacecraft has uncovered terrifying new information about the vast and empty expanse of interstellar space. According to NASA, cosmic rays are 3 times more intense outside of the heliopause, the protective bubble around our solar system, than inside it. But that's not all. Scientists have combined the findings from the Voyager mission with data from later missions to reveal an eerie humming sound captured by Voyager 1, which seems to be connected to strange waves detected in small amounts of gas found in the almost empty interstellar space. This haunting sound is sure to send chills down your spine as it echoes through the vast and lonely void beyond our solar system. What could be causing these strange sounds and waves? Are we truly alone in the universe? Or is there something out there lurking just beyond our reach? The Voyager mission may have answered some of our questions about the cosmos, but it has also raised new and terrifying ones that may never be fully answered. For over 45 years, the Voyager missions have been on a quest to unravel the mysteries of the solar system. But the information they've uncovered is more terrifying than anyone could have imagined. Scientists have discovered that heliopause, the boundary between the heliosphere and interstellar space, is not just a static line. It's a rippling dynamic barrier that's constantly shifting and changing shape. This strange activity has left experts baffled and fearful of what's to come. Furthermore, the Voyagers have captured data on the Sun and its impact on the solar system, providing insights into how this massive celestial body exerts its influence. But what's most frightening is that the Voyagers have continued to function in temperatures far below their design limits, defying our understanding of how technology should work. As scientists combine Voyager's data with information from other missions, they're beginning to create models that predict how the heliopause will change in the future. But with such unpredictable forces at work, it's impossible to know what lies beyond the boundary of our solar system. Will we encounter hostile forces or unknown dangers? Only time will tell. Recent research on heliopause has produced data that has left scientists scratching their heads in confusion and amazement. In 2014, the interstellar boundary explorer IBEX observed the brightening of energetic neutral atoms, ENAs, that showed asymmetries in the heliopause that were inconsistent with earlier models. Even more surprisingly, analyzing data from Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 revealed that the heliopause changed significantly in a relatively short time, explaining the lag in the spacecraft's entry into interstellar space. These discrepancies have been referred to as entry speaking and have left scientists eager to continue studying heliopause. But the truly mind-blowing discovery came in May of last year, when the Attitude Articulation and Control System, AACS, on Voyager 1 began transmitting confusing jumbles of data instead of the usual spacecraft updates. It appeared as though the spaceship had acquired a condition resembling electronic aphasia, which affects a person's capacity for fluent speech. The data might not reflect any plausible condition at all, or might have been generated at random, leaving engineers puzzled and amazed. With the launch of NASA's Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe, IMAP, in 2025, scientists hope to unlock even more mysteries surrounding the heliopause and the outer reaches of our solar system. Are you ready to feel a chill down your spine? Brace yourself as we dive into the eerie unknowns of Voyager 1. In 2019, something alarming happened to the spacecraft that was drifting in interstellar space for the past 10 years. Despite the odd status reports from the onboard system, the radio signal of the spacecraft was still strong and reliable, indicating that it was in good shape. But what was really going on inside the spacecraft? NASA engineers found that the Attitude Articulation and Control System, ALACS, was behaving strangely, transmitting confusing jumbles of data instead of the usual health and status updates. The culprit? A dead computer that corrupted all outgoing data. While the system has been fixed, the root cause remains unknown, leaving us with a creepy mystery. Imagine being alone, drifting in the infinite darkness of space, while your own systems malfunction in inexplicable ways. Who knows what else could happen out there beyond the reach of the Sun's magnetic field? As Voyager 1 drifts through the radioactive environment of interstellar space, it carries with it a mysterious message to any potential extraterrestrial visitors who may come across it in the future. This message is a golden record, packed with music, nature sounds, messages, photos, and more, created by a team of scientists and artists including Carl Sagan and Frank Drake. The record is a self-portrait of humanity, intended to answer questions about who we are and what our world is like. It even includes instructions on how to play the record in case it is ever discovered. While the record is not meant to initiate first contact with alien life, it remains a fascinating relic of our attempts to reach out to the stars and connect with the unknown. Do you want to know more about our universe? Why don't you like and subscribe so you can gain access to more content like this? 1. As private space companies continue to grow, perhaps one day, the Voyager spacecraft will be discovered by our descendants. It will be a remarkable moment, and they will reflect on the incredible feat that our species accomplished in the 20th century. The Voyager's golden records represent a hopeful message to the stars, a testament to our humanity, and a symbol of our endless curiosity and desire to explore the unknown. That's it for this video. Feel free to explore our previous videos to get your mind blown. Until next time, goodbye.